Hi guys, so it's me again, Ems, and for today's video I'm going to show you how you can create or edit your YouTube thumbnail using another application, which is the Pixel Lab. In my previous videos I have showed you how you can edit your thumbnail, or how I edit my own thumbnail using a PixArt with my iOS phone. Now, of course, not every one of us is using an iOS phone, so I check also with an Android phone, and there's another application available, which is the Pixel Lab. Okay, so guys, please keep on watching. Alright guys, now let's start editing our YouTube thumbnail using a Pixel Lab. So if you're using an Android phone, you can download this application from your Play Store. Okay, so at this point I have already downloaded the Pixel Lab application on my phone. Okay, so on the screen of my phone you can see that letter P, that is the Pixel Lab logo. So I just have to click that one so to access the application. Okay, now the next step that I have to do is to use an image from my gallery, and to do that you just have to click that three dot on the upper right corner of your phone, then use image from gallery. Okay, so it will be redirected to your phone gallery. Okay, now choose the image from your phone gallery, and at this point I am going to choose this image. Okay, so just click that particular image, and then you can actually, or you just have to choose the right size for your YouTube thumbnail, and at this point it has to be 16 by 9. Okay, so it would be the second from the left. So that's exactly the YouTube thumbnail size. You can adjust by dragging the white, if you can see that white button, you can drag it for whatever size you want it to appear on your thumbnail. Okay, so after that, just have to click the check button on the lower right corner of your phone, and then the next step is to add a text. So at this point I have to double click that ready made icon, and then backspace to delete and change it to whatever wordings that I would want to put on my YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so I'll be putting how to edit, and then click OK. So you just have to repeat it with the next text that you want to add on your YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so you just have to repeat it, guys. Okay, now if you want to add another text on your thumbnail, just have to click that plus button on the upper left corner of your phone, then click text. Okay, and then you just have to do the same procedure by double clicking that new text, and then backspace to delete and replace it with a new word that you want to put on your YouTube thumbnail. So you just have to repeat the same, guys, for whatever additional word that you want to put on your YouTube thumbnail. Okay, now guys, if you want to add another image on your phone, on your thumbnail, just have to click that plus icon again, and then choose image. Okay, and then from there you can choose image saved from your gallery. Okay, so after choosing the image, you can again crop that image by dragging the white dot that you can see. Okay, so just drag it until you finally got the right size of the image, and then again you can drag it to make it smaller or bigger. Okay, now that you have finalized all the words that you want to put into your thumbnail, you can edit the font. Okay, so now we can choose the font style from this list, and then after choosing it, okay, once we finish choosing the font style, we can add a background to make it more visible, and then we can also add or change the color of your font. At this point, I think white would be okay since I have a purple background. And then you can also put a stroke or an outline on the font by choosing stroke. Okay, and then enable, and then you can adjust the width. Okay, alright, like that. Okay, so it's up to you how you would want it to appear. Okay, so after that, I am going to do this again with the other words on my YouTube thumbnail. Okay guys, so you just have to repeat the same procedure with the other words on your YouTube thumbnail. You just have to explore what are the other options provided. Okay, and design your YouTube thumbnail based on the available resources in the Pixel Lab. Okay? Okay, after finalizing the design, now time to save your YouTube thumbnail by clicking that save image. Okay, so that image will be saved on your phone gallery, which later on you can upload. So that's it guys, and I hope you liked the video and you have learned something from this YouTube tutorial for making a YouTube thumbnail. So see you again next time on my next videos. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. You may also want to hit that bell icon so you will be notified whenever I'll be uploading new videos. Okay, so bye guys, and have an awesome day.